Hello students, so today we will be learning about the BODMAS rule. This rule is very important and this will be used in all classes whenever you will be solving some complex problem related to the maths. Okay, so let's start. The BODMAS rule, first of all we have to understand the meaning of each and every letter here. B, O, D, M, A and S. Okay, let's take B. B means brackets. Okay, O means off. D means division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So see, हमें करना क्या है BODMAS रूल में, whenever you are having the mix of all these fundamental operation plus minus addition subtraction brackets also you are having, तो आपको कैसे solve करना है इस क्वेश्चन का, how you will be solving that question whenever you are having the mixed operations in the question. So first of all you will be solving the numbers that are under the brackets. We will be doing the off of the brackets. Clear? After the solving the brackets we have to solve the division, then we have to come to the basic fundamental operation multiplication, then addition and then the subtraction. Okay, so it means step by step we have to proceed. First of all we have to off our brackets, then we have to perform the division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Let's understand this rule with the help of some examples. Yes, now in this question what you are having 7 minus 8 divided by minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by minus 4. Now see, as per our BODMAS rule what we have to do, first of all we have to off our brackets. Clear? Then we have to do the division, multiplication, addition and then the subtraction. Okay, so see, as per our BODMAS rule, first of all we will be doing here division. Clear? So see, 7 minus, now 8 divided by 2 is what? Yes, we had already studied about this integers. So 8 divided by minus 2 is what? Very good, it will be minus 4. Clear? Now step by step I will be doing. Now after doing our division, now which fundamental operation I have to perform? Multiplication. So step by step I am going, that's why 3 multiplied by minus 4. Now multiplication is here. So 3 multiplied by minus 4 is what? Yes, very good. 3 multiplied by minus 4 is your minus 12. Now after doing your multiplication, what we have to do? We have to perform our addition and then I have to solve our subtraction. Okay, so now here minus into minus is what? Minus into minus is 4. Okay, and here plus into minus is what? Minus 12. Now as per our BODMAS rule we have to do the addition. So 7 plus 4 is what? 7 plus 4 is 11. And last one is your subtraction. Now 11 minus 12 is what, students? It is your, yes, very good. We had already studied about the integer plus minus minus, but sign will be the sign with the bigger number. So here the bigger number is 12 and with 12 we are having the sign minus. So it will be minus 1. Clear? So what we had done, first of all we had done the division, then we had done the multiplication, then we had done the addition and the last one we had done the subtraction. Is that clear? Yes, very good. Now let's take one more examples to clear our doubt. Yes, students, before doing some complex problems related to the BODMAS rule, let's see how to open the brackets and what will be the order for solving the brackets if multiple brackets are given here. Okay, so now see, the order of removing the brackets. We are having the different brackets here. The first one is your line bracket. Clear? The first one is your line bracket, then your common brackets, then your curly brackets and the big brackets. In the question, if you are having all these 4 brackets, then what will be the order of solving the brackets? See, whenever we will be having the line bracket, so first of all the line bracket will be solved. After solving the line brackets, we will be solving our common brackets. Okay, so what is the symbol for the line bracket? This bar. If you will be solving the line bracket, it will be having the line over the numbers like this. This is also called the bar bracket. Clear? Then after solving the line bracket, we have to solve our common brackets. Okay, so this is a sign for the common brackets, and after the common brackets we are having the curly brackets. So this is a sign for the curly brackets, and the last one is your big brackets, and we also call them rectangular brackets. So after solving your curly brackets, we will be moving towards our big brackets. Okay, so what is the order for removing the brackets? First of all your line brackets will be solved. Clear? Then your common brackets will be solved. After that your curly brackets, and the last one is your big brackets. Now we will be checking how to use these things in our complex problems. So let's move on. Now students, take one complex problem related to the BODMAS rule, in which the concept of your brackets and the concept of the fundamental operations will be clubbed. Okay, so here is the problem. In this problem we had taken all the brackets, that is the line bracket, common brackets, curly bracket and the big bracket, and the fundamental operations are also included in this. Okay, so we had already discussed this thing. If the brackets are given, first of all your line bracket will be solved, then the common bracket, then the curly bracket, and the last one will be your big brackets. Clear? So in this question the line bracket is here. What is the meaning of this line bracket? The line bracket means this 7 minus 5 will be solved first of all. The meaning of this line bracket is simply that this 7 minus 5 will be solved first of all. Clear? So just move on. So 2 multiply by 5 minus 8 minus curly bracket 11 plus 30 divided by 4 minus 2. Now we had solved the line bracket. Okay, so no sign of the line bracket will be here because we had already solved it. Now after the line bracket we have to solve our common brackets. So let's do that. 2 multiply by 5 minus 8 minus 11 plus 30 divided by, yes, now under common brackets we are having 4 minus 2. It means it is what? It is our 2. We already know that. Now we had already solved the common brackets also. So they are also removed. Clear? Now our next task is to solve our curly brackets. Now if you can see here, under curly brackets we are having the plus operation and the divide operation. So as per our BODMAS rule, division will be performed first of all. Clear? So it will be 2 multiplied by 5 minus 8 minus 11 plus 15. Okay, we already know this thing, that 11 plus 30 divided by 2 is what? 15. Okay, so now our curly bracket is not yet solved, so it will be as it is. Clear? Now 2 multiplied by 5 minus 8 minus, now under curly brackets we are having 11 plus 15. So now 11 plus 15 is what? 11 plus 15 is our 26. Clear? 11 plus 15 is what? 11 plus 16 is our 26. Now the last one is your what? The last one is your, yes, very good, the last one is our big brackets. The last one is our big brackets. So under big brackets we are having 8 minus 26. Now 8 minus 26 is what? What is 8 minus 26? Yes, very good. Yes, 8 minus 26 is minus 18. Because plus minus is minus, but sign will be of minus, because with the bigger number we are having the sign of minus. Now it is 10. And minus into minus is plus. So 10 plus 18, the answer is your 28. What is the answer here? The answer here is 28. So go step by step. Follow the rules, that in which order the brackets will be solved, in which order the fundamental operations will be solved. So there will be no problem in getting the answer. Okay, so again I am repeating, in case of the brackets, first of all the line bracket, then the common bracket, then the curly bracket, and then the last one will be the big bracket. And if the fundamental operations are given, then first of all division, okay, then multiplication, then addition and the subtraction.